allegedly refusing command and hurling breakfast, lands Tommy Lee in hospital. Dancehall DJ Tommy Lee Sparta, given name Leroy Russell, was reportedly knocked unconscious and later hospitalized after assessment at the prison's medical center on Monday, February 21st. In a release, the Department of Correctional Services said that an inmate, whose name was not disclosed, had refused to re-enter his cell following the distribution of breakfast and had hurled his breakfast at a member of staff, instructing him to do so. Both the inmate and the correctional officer received injuries as the officer tried to subdue him, the release said. However, inmates who witnessed the brawl, some of whom recorded the incident, have expressed their displeasure at the situation. One source said that several correctional officers had used batons to beat the entertainer. Them broke up about 3 baton and him nah fight them. Me no know if him say anything hurtful to them, but him nah fight back. Him just a get pure beaten. One of the time them, I in him head him did I go get it, and him use him hand and block it, the alleged witness said. It is understood that the artist was motionless after the altercation and was later placed on a stretcher and taken to the medical center at the facility. Russell was later transported by ambulance to the Kingston Public Hospital under heavy guard by correctional officers and the police, where open cuts and bruises on his left hand were observed. The face of the DJ, who was barely conscious, also appeared swollen. Indicom say it is to interview Tommy Lee and to serve notices to any concerned officer for the submission of a statement in relation to the incident. The oversight body is also to conduct witness canvassing and collect evidentiary material. Noting that there is high public interest in the case, the Commission assured that an update on its investigation will be provided at an appropriate time. Tommy Lee's legal team has also called on the Department of Correctional Services to remove the officers who were involved in the bust-up from active duty. The legal team is looking at all options. We are calling on the Department of Correctional Services to launch an internal investigation into the matter and immediately pull the officers involved from active duty pending the outcome of the investigative process, said Attorney-at-Law Donahue Martin. Meanwhile, unconfirmed reports indicate that the situation at the Tower Street Adult Correctional Center remains tense.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!